Good evening, guys. So another little review from me. This is from the Fish House in Harwich again. It's cost £7.25. I got a nice chicken burger here, which comes as a meal deal. So you get a chicken burger, you get a can of drink of your choice, and you get a portion of chips as well with it for £7.25. Now, it's good because you get these nice, crispy, huge chicken fillets in there. Two of them, big chicken fillets, and they're very crispy. It isn't the first time I've had one of these. It's very nice. Filled with salad. You can choose what salad you have as well in there. Now, if I pick it up, look at all that salad. It is gorgeous. It is filled, right? Now, when I eat it, listen. It's crispy. It's succulent. It's beautiful. Oh. Definitely a 10 out of 10, and it's boozing with mayonnaise. 10 out of 10 for that one. That's the Fish House in Harwich, which is located just off the High Street. Just down from the High Street. Enjoy the rest of your evening, guys. Talk soon.